Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Boulay, and I'm going to teach you today about a worksheet that you are going to get for today's activity. It is shorter and longer. So before we start the activity, I want to show you some things so you know what shorter and longer is. So I have here a crayon. This crayon is shorter. This marker is longer. So you put them together, you can see that this crayon is shorter and the marker is longer. I have some other little toys for you. These are my daughter's toys. I have a shorter stuffed animal. Then I have a longer stuffed animal. Okay, boys and girls. Now that I showed you a couple activities and different things of what shorter and longer is, we are going to start our activity. So moms and dads can print this off from the email, and it is a worksheet. And we always start every worksheet with writing our what, boys and girls? That's right, our name. And our name always starts with a capital letter. So Mrs. Boulay is going to write my name on the line. Mrs. Nice and neat. Space for last name. And boys and girls, you should be writing your first and your last name. Mrs. Boulay. So here is my name, okay? Now, to do this job, you are going to need construction paper. They can be any color. Mrs. Boulay has a green and a yellow. I did those two colors because they're our school colors. You need scissors. Now make sure you ask mom and dad to use the scissors. Glue. You could use liquid glue or a glue stick. If you don't have any of those, you can use tape. Okay? All right, so boys and girls, this side these are shorter. So make sure this is the shorter side and these are longer. These are the longer things. So I'm going to start with my yellow construction paper. I'm going to cut a strip of paper all the way up. And I'm going to cut pieces of the strip. And I want some shorter pieces, okay? And I want some longer pieces, okay? So, boys and girls, let's remember, shorter goes over here. So let's look. Here is a piece of paper. This is a shorter piece of paper than this piece of paper. So this one we're gonna glue right on this side. So Mrs. Boulay is going to open her glue, so make sure you open. And I'm going to glue it right on here. And the longer piece, Mrs. Boulay is going to glue over here. And it's okay if it goes off the paper. That's okay. Mrs. Boulay tells you that sometimes in jobs in our classroom. Okay. Now I'm going to cut out some of my green construction paper. So we are going to cut a strip off, okay, and I'm going to cut some pieces. Now, let's see. So I have a piece here, I have a piece here, and I have a piece here. So, now this one is a shorter piece. So we're gonna glue this where, boys and girls? Should I glue it here or here? Right here. So we're gonna glue this right in this spot. And then this longer piece, we're gonna glue where? Should I glue it here or here? Right, over here. So we're gonna glue this down here. Now I'll do one more set for you before you go on your own. I'm going to use yellow. So we're going to cut the strip. And we're going to do one here. Which piece is shorter? Which piece is longer? the bottom piece is shorter. Right, so we're gonna glue this right here. And this piece is longer. So we're gonna glue this on the longer side. That's the activity, boys and girls. Now, I just want to let you know, some friends might not have construction paper at home. So if you don't, you can use a white piece of paper, use markers, crayons, or colored pencils, color in a strip. So Mrs. Boulay is going to color in this piece over here. And you're going to color in. And go all the way to the end of your paper. Okay. Then you're going to cut out your strip. And you can cut this piece off. So this is if you didn't have construction paper. Now, let's look at the two pieces. Which one is shorter? Which one is longer? Right, this one over here is shorter, so I would glue it here. And this one is longer, so I would glue it here. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed Mrs. Boulay's demonstration of the shorter things and things that are longer. So, thank you very much, and I hope that everyone enjoys this craft. See you later, alligators. In a while, crocodile.